Audio Jungle.
Talk to me about what you were doing kind of before laundry, right? And you still do have for at least the time being, you still have a day job. There maybe someday here you'll get rid of that, but
So I don't know that my company president will let me leave, but I work for a company that sells indoor athletic flooring. So anything for a wellness center, a gymnasium, a group extra room, like turf or rubber, wood floors, or performance vinyl, or even like what they play volleyball on in the Olympics. We sell those products and systems. So I'm the national senior executive for nonprofits. I work with JCCs, YMCA's, so I'm very familiar with like the nonprofit world, which has made it, I think, really nice and easy for me to partner with
Mhm.
people in the community.
Yeah, that is a nice tie because you kind of get the joke, so to speak, in terms of what's important to those groups and what they're looking for and what kind of needs they actually have when a small business comes in, right?
Yep, very true.